When we think about debit card fraud, we usually imagine a huge amount of money suddenly disappearing. But the truth is, it usually starts very quietly. And that's exactly why so many people don't notice it until it's too late. See, scammers like to test the water first. They'll use stolen card details for tiny charges. I'm talking $1, $2, sometimes even less. They're just checking to see if the card works and, more importantly, if you are paying attention. A lot of people see a charge that small and think, oh, it's just a mistake or it's not worth the hassle. But please don't ignore it. That tiny charge is often the first warning sign that something is wrong. Make it a habit to look over your bank statement regularly. Don't just look for the big numbers, look for names you don't recognize, repeated transactions, or even purchases made at strange hours of the night. Now, I want to mention, scammers often target seniors, not because of a lack of intelligence, not at all, but because they assume older generations check their digital statements less often. It's simply about habits. If you see anything that looks off, stop. Stop using the card immediately. Flip your card over and call the number printed right there on the back. Don't wait. The faster you act, the easier it is for the bank to step in and protect your hard-earned money. Remember, never share your PIN. Never click on links in those suspicious text messages, and never feel bad about being cautious. Staying alert isn't just about protecting your money, it's about your peace of mind.